Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. Today I decided to work on a piece that I started the other day. I wasn't really feeling it then and ended up scrapping it. But when I was trying to think about what I wanted to draw this week, I decided to revisit it. I think that when I abandoned it the first time, I didn't really feel like drawing so much hair. But this week, that kind of repetitive work was kind of exactly what I needed. I decided to just do the line art for this one. For now, anyway. So, I know it's still early in September, but October is right around the corner, and you know what that means. Inktober. Or Drawloween, or whatever monthly drawing challenge you do for October. The last few years I've participated in various ones, which is a lot of work, especially considering I also do more than double the amount of DIY videos in October with Hollow Week, and I always end up pretty much destroying myself every year. I decided that this year I would step back from something, and for me in this channel, Hollow Week has been something I've done every single year as a special little celebration for the anniversary of this channel. So if anything, I was going to step back from the drawing every day kind of thing. I figured I'd do it similar to how I did Mermaid this year, which was that I basically drew the month's theme as I had time. For Mermaid, I didn't use a prompt, but for Inktober/Drawloween, I will. An artist that I admire and follow posted her own list of prompts, which are botanical wit themed, and I thought that sounded pretty fun, so I'll be picking random ones off of that list and drawing them whenever I get a little time to do so. I'll post her info down below if you want to join in on that same prompt. I am so excited to start it this year. Are you guys planning on participating in Inktober or Drawloween this year? Which prompt or prompts are you going to do? Are you going to try to do it every single day, or do a more chill version like me this year? Let me know down below. So anyway, here is the finished piece for today. I hope you like it. If so, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you later this week. Bye!